Rent to own is becoming much more popular in the general community, and it's not hard to understand why. The traditional banking system has significantly decreased the number of loans they are providing to everyday Australian families, and these families are now looking for other ways to be able to buy their own home. If you are looking for opportunities to rent to own in Brisbane, Low Deposit Property specialises in providing opportunities for would-be homeowners in and around southeast Queensland. Getting a bank loan can be very difficult because the banks require very strict criteria to be met. Here's an example of what is required to buy an average $400,000 entry-priced home in a nice suburb. Firstly, it's likely you'll need 20% deposit, i.e. $80,000 saved. Secondly, you will have to pay for all of the closing costs, i.e. legal fees, loan fees and stamp duty. This can easily add up to a further $15,000, making a total of $95,000 required to buy a home. Thirdly, if you've just started your own business or are self-employed, qualifying for loans can be difficult even if you have the deposit ready to go. And if you have any credit default problems, the likelihood of getting a loan approved is very slim. It's therefore easy to understand from these requirements that there are a lot of families who now find it difficult to get approved for traditional finance. For these families, the opportunity of dealing directly with the property seller and not having to have a bank involved is very appealing. The concept is very simple and basically means dealing directly with the seller of the property, paying rent for a number of years whilst you build up a deposit and fix any credit and employment issues you may have. Then, at the end of the term renting, when you can qualify for a loan, you simply buy the house that you've been living in the whole time. The benefits are that you get to live in the house now, make all the improvements you wish, and enjoy home ownership whilst waiting to qualify for a loan. As with any important transaction, like buying a home, it's important that all of the paperwork is handled by professional lawyers to ensure you are protected. You can contact Low Deposit Property to discuss what opportunity you may have to own your own home quickly and easily using the rent to own system.